连接车行驶在结霜的路上，突然往左又往右滑，下一秒失控冲向护栏。暴风雪在美国肆虐，灾情频传。
Extreme weather conditions killed at least 67 people in 13 states in the past week, mostly in the south and northwest.
路上厚雪瘫痪交通，民众干脆带着孩子到雪地上玩耍。民众苦中作乐，雪地实测，牛仔裤瞬间急冻，竟硬到能捶墙。也有球场清除积雪的工作人员把雪当滑梯。只是暴风雪前脚刚走，又一波寒流南下，恐怕笑不出来。
But another Arctic blast means that what's on the ground now won't be going anywhere anytime soon, and authorities in places like New Jersey are urging people to stay off the roads.
日本同样冷飕飕，本周南部低气压笼罩，关东甲信山区也下雪，能看到绝美富士山的山梨县河口湖，还是涌入大量游客要赏雪。南韩也一片白茫茫，南韩江原道正在举行冬季青年奥运赛事，当地也发布大雪警报。预计降下30公分以上的大雪，寒流冰封北半球，各国政府不敢大意，预防事故发生。三立新闻严欣怡报道。